so I managed to do that. My camera stopped there, so I had to fix that. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to do the top. Same thing. Just peel off these. And we're going to place this one right here. That. Grab the next three. Try and get it close. Okay, so I went around and put all the jewels here. I think it looks cute. But I do think we should put another one on the bottom. I think so. So I will do that and then we'll come back. So I'm just alternating the colors here. Put the blue over the diamond and then the diamond over the blue, and then we'll just keep doing that. Abigail, are you stealing my hearts? Yeah, and you took the baby bottle from Mommy. Okay, so we'll do that and I'll come right back. Okay, so I've got that all completed. One row of diamonds on the top and two on the bottom. If you wanted, you could put a third row. I like it just the way it is. Okay, so we have that one completed. And let me have that bottle, Abigail. Put this back on. Now, my other video that I did the bottles, I showed you how to make the baby milk. So you can go ahead and do that. It's just using paper glue and water. So you can check that out. So for this one, I thought we'd go ahead and try the buttons. See how that goes. So let me just open this up. Now I wouldn't do this bottle and decorate it like this for a real baby because we know these are small parts and babies will choke on them. So this is only for reborning purposes. Okay, thank you. Okay, let's see how these are joined. Oh, these are better. They're all in one, which is great because look, we don't have as much work. Okay, so I'm going to take the bottle. Let's see if I can get this in front of you. That's straight. And go around. And they're not in any really patterned order. There's two green here. They're just all over the place. But we'll just do that. There. Take the next bundle. Let's try this one. And we're going to do the same thing. Just go around until we meet. We can go up a little higher on that one. That's better. There we go. Okay, and I think we could probably get maybe 4 buttons in there. So let's just see. Nope, 3 buttons. So I will take 3 out of here, just snip those out. Let's take these 3. Oh, and this one came off separately. Oh, they all did. Oh, it's probably the way I cut it, which is okay. Whoops! Fly out of my hand there. And we'll use the red one in the last space right here. Perfect. Okay, so that's our first row. I think that looks sweet. Yeah. Let's see, do I want to do more buttons on top? Let's try it. We'll try it and see. If not, we can do the other pink one. Just gonna measure that. There. What do you think? Oh, it looks so sweet. Very sweet. And then we'll go into the back. No, why did that one not come off? Okay. Just make sure that matches. This one button had no sticky stuff on it whatsoever, so that button we can use to sew on something. And I think we might get 2 buttons in here, so I'll just cut those 2 off for the last part here. Let's see that there, right there. Perfect, so that fit. There, we got the buttons on there. Yeah, it looks adorable. What do you think, Abigail? Look, what do you think? You'd love this bottle, wouldn't you? Now let's see, do I want another row of buttons, or let's just see what it would look like. I think I'm just going to keep the single one on. I think I like it better. It looks more delicate. Yeah, so that's what I'll do with that. Keep it like that. Okay, so I didn't get to use these ones yet, but we will use these on the pacifier. We'll use the blue and the pink on the pacifier. Okay, so we have our pacifiers, and like I said before, we're not gonna cut the nipple part off right now, but in another video when I show you how to modify them with a magnet and to put on for your reborn baby. Okay, we'll do that in another video, but right now we're just going to decorate the edges. And these ones are really cute. They got a little cat with glasses, and this one's a little, I think it's a dog with glasses. But we'll start with this one first. Oh, and you still have my hearts. Yes, you do. Okay, for the boy, actually we can put a heart here, and boy or girl, I mean it's in gray, so you can do for either one, right? No gender specific here. These are so pretty too. Just look at the sparkle on those. Just love it. Okay, so we're gonna take one of these off. center here, just to cover up that design. Just like that. Now we're going to get the ones we used for the bottle, and we're going to put them on the outer sides. Maybe we'll do it in the blue. So we're just going to put that on. Start it up more so it's like a triangle. I think it might go better. Yep. There we go. Just like that. And we'll go ahead and do that on the other side. Take the 3 and repeat. So we're the highest point on the plastic here, up here, because it's like a semicircle shape. We'll make this fit better. Just curve that in. Yeah. That's cute. This one. There. Okay, so there's that one, very pretty. And now we're going to go around the outer edge and do that. Okay, so the same idea, and then we're going to come back and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, I'm back, and here's the finished result. I think it's adorable. Just so sparkly and with the heart. Looks great. Hey, Abigail, look. Yeah. And I did cut, I just found out when I was doing that I did cut this wrong. So it would have been in a row. All in a row, but that was my error. I thought it only came in the 3, but it comes all in one strip, so just watch when you're cutting it. So let's go ahead and do the pink one. Now, should we do it alternating? Yeah, I think we're going to do this one alternating. We're going to do the same thing, put a heart in the center. There, I think that's even. There. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead. Yeah, let's do the pink. See, so much easier, all in a row. We'll just do pink. We're just gonna place that all around. Just like that. You'll have to decide how many you'll need to cut. depending on the size of your pacifier. But it's simple to do, so it's not like it's a lot of work, you know, to unglue and that sort of thing. Some more pink here. Doing these is so much more fun than buying them, because you get to make them and design them yourself, and they're not as expensive either. I guess if you wanted to, you could do an initial of your baby as well, their first initial in the shape of diamonds, if you wanted to do that. And we'll snip this one off. So I went ahead and I put all the diamonds around. It's coming off there. There we go. So what I did was I did a pink row at the back, and then I used the diamond, clear diamond in the middle. And then I used the, there we go, the heart with the pink on the sides. And that's what it looks like. Pretty. See, Abigail, let's see what she would look like with this in. Oh, she would look adorable. You would look so pretty with that. Yeah. And then one more time here with our, whoops, it's stuck there. Oh, upside down. With this one. And again, you can change it to whatever you want. This is how I did mine. You could also fill this in with all blue, or you could do the clear, or you could use the buttons that we purchased over here. You could use the buttons and do all the buttons, would look really cute too. So this is all I have for now. And Abigail and I thank you on this rainy day for watching. And I hope you try a few of these crafts out yourself and let me know how you did. Show me pictures too. I would like to see that. And so we're still on holidays, and I'll be doing more videos as we go to different parts of our destination. And just stay tuned. Thank you for being there. Abigail and I say thank you and God bless. Bye for now.